Hello everyone, my name is Alfred and I am the most famous mystic in the world. In this video we're talking about the pathways that lead you to be free, to be unapologetic yourself and to do the fuck whatever you want. This video is inspired by the weakness and by the strength, the power. Recently I had consultations where people show their weak side and they are vulnerable. That's beautiful. Everyone has to free themselves from the pain, from the suffer, and I always will be honest with you. I can help you to paint your reality, to give you a direction and advice, but you win or you lose. I won't tell you that it's okay, don't worry. No, you're a fucking winner or you're a loser. This is intense, but this is the reality for everyone on this earth. We're playing a game where you win or you lose, but not in a way that you feel like I am the best one in all the ways. You are ships and I'm on the first place. Ego, shut down, shut the fuck up. You're just individual who is living your truth. Hopefully. If not someone's. If you live your truth, if you know your roots and your crown, and you serve for the whole, you help, you support, you generate, you respond, whatever you do in this life, you should know that you don't have an answer to infinity. You are not better than anyone else. You are great and you have a lot of potential in your personal game. You have a direction, you have dreams, you have willpower to achieve anything, and this is where you blossom. This is where you have this illumination, radiation. This is when you manifest things or you respond to the world, and this is the second way of manifestation. Not everything have to be through force. Find your type of exchanging the energies in this world. You are great. You are complete, you are perfect, you are feminine and masculine, you are the moon and the sun, you are all the stars, you are the universe. But don't compare your beautiful galaxy with another galaxy and another galaxy. We are all a part of this beautiful oneness, wholeness, amazingness. All I'm saying is have respect for another person, for another life being, for another idea. Of course, there are some ideas or perspectives, theories that people label as universal, but also it's very subjective. What actually is real, what is the truth. If you have your own truth, you are great. You know the rules of your game, you know the power that you obtain, and now we are unstoppable. So when I meet with people who represent themselves as awake, and I was awake for many years when I moved to England 4 years ago. Everything was new, yeah, the reality completely changed, the image, the people, the language, different algorithms, everything was different. New fears, new problems, new difficulties, new lessons, yeah, not only suffering and pain, new emotions that are positive, new vibrations, development, entertainment, fun. And because we have feminine energy, everyone has it, and even if you're a guy, feminine energy is devouring everything. I will take pain, I will take blessings, I will take happiness, joy, prosperity, all the bad and good shit. So feminine power in you says that I'm ready. I am ready for everything. Any challenge? I meet them with a smile, and the universe is smiling back at you. Like, honey, you're doing great. We will give you more power. We will give you more tasks to accomplish. And if you, in your present moment, experience a lot of things that is like a force and you feel so heavy because I have to do that thing and this one and so many responsibilities. I don't know from where to start because the world just trying to give me too much and I don't know how to react. So if you have a lot of things to do, or you had this moment and you will have this moment when the universe will be like, we are giving you much more than you had before. Do you know why? It's not because the world is against you. You are not a sinner, you are not a problem, you are not a mistake, you are a gift. You have this life, you have the body, the brain. This is so crazy that everything is here in a very small box. Zoom out to the galaxies and just this small brain, all these connections are the greatest system in the universe. Our brain is the most complex thing in the universe. Wow. And you want to continue to be weak. You win or you lose. You are unique, one of a kind gift to everyone around you. Everyone who meets you is reacting differently. Some people love you, some hate you, some bully you, some don't understand you. And if you experience bullying and misunderstanding, then you are the biggest change for them. Because you shift their mind, they have inner questions like, what the fuck? Like, what's happening with them? Like, why do they look this way? And through this communication, inner communication with this hater, you know, actually in some time, the more they have and the more they meet these people, something will change. They will become a killer, a hater, like fully, I'm gonna kill them. Or they will hopefully evolve. Because when we see something for the first time, first reaction is like, what the fuck? Like, we are scared and we don't know what to do, so we will just attack. But also, all this game of attacking someone is very childish. When we were in school, if you see someone who is already 30, 40, even 20, 50, and they still continue to bully someone, these people are very low level. I know you played any type of a game where there is a certain level to achieve. For example, 100. You are level 50 now. Someone is level 10. And why the fuck, tell me? You try to talk with them if you are completely on a different level. Why the fuck you want to spend some time with a level 1 if you are level 50? Excuse me, there is level 100. Inspiration is there. The goal we are going to achieve. We're gonna be the best in our profession. You know, you have to be the best version of yourself. You have to be in tune with your higher self. If your higher self tells you that I have to be there, then please tune in. If your higher self is eating healthy, or they're going to gym, or they are mastering their skills, why the fuck? You're going down. Yes, I will be with level 1. I'm fucking level 50, but I will do the same things that level 1 is doing. I will fully lessen the value of everything I already accomplished, and I will just party with all these fucking pricks just because it's funny. With fools, with entertainment, it's so funny. Imagine level 1. New world? New tasks? Where do I start? Okay, it's interesting to get back to that because now you're like a teacher and I can prove you that I'm fucking level 50 and you're just level 1 and this is where I rule. Ego, shut the fuck down. Level 100, please. Wanna evolve? Haha. Let's go to the success, where you feel fully abundance, fully wealth, full power. Don't waste your time. If you will still be in the same position, that level 1 will do some work and they will reach that highest point much faster while you're just having so much fun here when you're just yeah, party. Yeah, I'm just every day I'm wasting my time. I know how rich I am inside because my highest, they tell me everything. Yeah, I know everything. I'm the best one. Don't lie to yourself. Very often we are our biggest enemy. The same with me. I am Scorpio, I have poison, I am intense, I have this fucking tail, and I can easily just and then I suffered and I experienced a lot of pain. Biggest enemy. I don't fucking care about what people think about me, what they write about me. No. I am the most poisonous, most intense creature in the world. The only one who can kill myself is here. You can try, but you will just inspire me to be even more powerful. You have to learn that inspiration also comes from everywhere. I mostly find it within. Because I have a purpose, I know the goal, and I'm just going. I am unstoppable. Also, but the things are happening around. The cat, I love her so much. The people, or you write me a comment. So inspired. You gave me an idea. I will talk about it. A powerful person is accepting, as I said, as a feminine energy, accepting everything. Give me everything I needed. Not just I needed, but I just know that I am resourceful and I can receive anything. The pain, the happiness, the death, the birth. Give it to me. I am the mother. I am the Mother Earth. All the creatures are here gathering in this library. In the ground, below and above, the birds, we are all here, playing this beautiful, complex game. You understand the rules when you say goodbye to the Matrix. Not just goodbye, because you can't fully escape it, but in a goodbye that I know, bitch. I know the rules. I will see you, but now I'm gonna write down the foundation for my future game. I will write down the structure. I will have a fucking tough discipline, a strategy, and you know, I will create my own game. I will have my personal freedom where I feel safe, where I can grow, where I just fucking paint this reality for myself, because the brain, again, the most complex thing. If you truly believe, if your brain believes in what you want to achieve, few days, who knows? Can you imagine that you can wake up completely a different person? And this is not a fantasy, this is not a story, this is a reality. But you have to change everything inside, because from our birth, not just from our birth, but already when you were in a womb, and the mother was programming you with her ideas, with her feelings, emotions, with everything she experienced while you were in a womb. And then you wake up and you scream, and school and kindergarten and university, jobs, they all make you feel something you are not. And thank you that there are people who actually support you, who help you through the events, through the suffering, who are together with you when you feel amazing, we're just so grateful. If you don't have someone who is supporting you and allowing you to be yourself with them, then I'm here. I will support you. Message me. Let's talk. Let's have a phone call, video call. I love it. I am here for you, so you are the best version of you. Because I know it works. And I'm an example of growth. For me, for someone, I don't know what you think about me, but I deeply know that looking at myself a few years ago, completely another person. When you have a structure, when you have something to fight for, when you are learning about your truth, don't be weak, you will lose the game. No one wants to die before the fulfillment. Be fucking strong. Be intense, be powerful, receive everything that is coming to your way. You can deal with everything. There is now a challenge the world, the universe is giving you, you can't go through. This is what the universe wants for you, and this is what I want for everyone on this earth. Let's be strong. Let's empower ourselves. The universe knows that you can give much more. Give all your time, all your money, invest into yourself, and we will see who is on top and who is not. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. I'm sending you all my love. Mwah. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye. By the way, how do you like my new presents? Because I use less makeup and I'm just feeling gorgeous, and I enjoy the process of creating my life. I'll see you, my lovelies. Mwah.